Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love smart cleaning gadgets and must-have cleaning products that actually save you time and effort at home, then this video is exactly for you. Today I am sharing 25 amazing cleaning products from Amazon that can make your daily chores easier and honestly, a lot more satisfying. These are some of the best cleaning gadgets on Amazon right now, covering everything from floors and carpets to windows, pets, and even your car. And remember, all the product links are down in the description, so you can check them out easily. Let's get right into it. This is the Chibio cordless vacuum cleaner, and it makes everyday cleaning quick and completely hassle-free. It runs without a cord, so you can move freely from room to room without hunting for an outlet. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry upstairs or into tight corners without feeling tired. It comes with strong suction that lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors with ease. The battery charges fully and lasts long enough to clean your whole home in one go. It is also simple to empty and maintain after each use. If you want a fast, convenient way to keep floors spotless, this cordless vacuum is a smart addition to your cleaning routine. This is the Eureka Portable Carpet Cleaner, and it is perfect for tackling spills, stains, and everyday dirt on carpets and upholstery. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry from room to room, or even out to the car. It sprays cleaning solution and lifts it back up in one smooth motion, pulling out deep dirt that a regular vacuum leaves behind. It works great on stairs, furniture, and car seats, not just carpets. The tank is simple to fill and empty, keeping the whole process mess-free. If you have pets, kids, or simply just want much fresher carpets, this portable cleaner gives your home a much deeper, more thorough clean without needing to call in professionals. This is the Dude Toe Sponge Mop, and it is a simple tool that makes mopping floors faster and less tiring. The sponge head is highly absorbent, soaking up spills and dirty water quickly without leaving streaks behind. It comes with a built-in wringer, so you can squeeze out excess water with just one squeeze of the handle, keeping your hands completely dry. The long handle means you will not need to bend over while cleaning, which is easier on your back. It works well on tile, wood, and laminate floors alike. If you want an affordable, no-fuss way to keep your floors truly clean every single day without much effort, this sponge mop gets the job done well. This is the handheld steam cleaner, and it uses the power of steam to clean and disinfect surfaces without harsh chemicals. It heats up quickly, so you can start cleaning within minutes of turning it on. The high-temperature steam breaks down grease, grime, and stains on countertops, tiles, and bathroom fixtures with ease. It comes with different attachments, making it useful for cleaning windows, fabric, and even small appliances around the house. Since it only uses water, it is a safer option for homes with kids or pets. If you want a truly chemical-free way to sanitize your entire home while also saving money on regular cleaning products every single month, this steam cleaner is a smart choice. This is the Steamify handheld cleaner, and it gives you a fast, chemical-free way to clean tough spots around the house. It heats up in seconds and releases powerful steam that loosens dirt, grease, and bacteria on contact. It works well on kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, and even fabric like curtains or car seats. The compact design makes it easy to hold and maneuver into tight corners that regular cleaning tools cannot reach. Since it only needs water, there is no need to buy expensive cleaning sprays again. If you want a quick, natural way to sanitize your whole home without breathing in strong chemical smells at all, this steam cleaner is truly worth having in your cleaning kit. This is the Clean Ninja Electric Spin Scrubber, and it takes the hard work out of scrubbing tough, stuck-on grime. It spins quickly, so you barely need to apply any pressure to get tiles, tubs, and sinks looking brand new again. It is cordless and rechargeable, giving you the freedom to clean bathrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor furniture without being tied to an outlet. It comes with different brush heads, so you can switch attachments based on the surface you are cleaning. The long handle reaches into corners without forcing you to bend or kneel. If scrubbing by hand always leaves your arms feeling quite tired and sore, this spin scrubber makes cleaning much faster and far easier on your body. This is the Jigu Smart Sensor Vacuum, and it takes the guesswork out of knowing which areas of your home need extra attention. Its built-in dust sensor detects dirt levels as you clean and adjusts suction power automatically for the best results. This means you spend less time going over the same spot again and again. It works well on both carpets and hard floors, adjusting smoothly between different surfaces around your home. The design is lightweight, making it comfortable to push and maneuver around furniture. If you want a smarter, more efficient way to vacuum your whole home without wasting extra time or energy on repeated passes, this sensor vacuum is a great upgrade for your daily cleaning routine. This is the ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, and it uses gentle sound waves to remove dirt, oil, and grime from small items without any scrubbing. Just add water, place your jewelry, eyeglasses, or watches inside, and let the machine do the work in just a few minutes. The ultrasonic vibrations reach into tiny crevices that a cloth or brush simply cannot clean properly. It is safe for most metals, gemstones, and glasses, giving items a sparkling, like new shine. The compact size makes it easy to store on a shelf or countertop without taking up much space. If you want your jewelry and eyewear looking fresh and sparkling clean again, this ultrasonic cleaner makes the whole process quick and totally effortless. This is the Set Sail Extra Long Dusters, and they make cleaning hard-to-reach places simple and stress-free. The extended handle lets you dust ceiling fans, blinds, and tall shelves without needing a ladder or step stool. The fibers are designed to trap dust instead of just pushing it around, so your home actually gets cleaner with every pass. They work well on both delicate surfaces and rougher areas, making them useful all around the house. The lightweight design means your arms will not get tired even during longer cleaning sessions. If you always struggle with dusty corners and hard-to-reach spots around your whole home, these long dusters make the entire cleaning job faster and much easier. This is the window cleaning robot, and it takes one of the most annoying chores off your hands completely. It sticks securely to glass using suction technology and moves across the surface, wiping away dirt, dust, and streaks along the way. It works on windows, mirrors, and even glass doors, giving you a streak-free shine without any manual scrubbing. Safety features keep it attached even if power is briefly interrupted, so you never have to worry about it falling. It is especially useful for tall or hard-to-reach windows that are difficult to clean by hand. If you want truly spotless windows without any of the usual effort, this cleaning robot makes the job simple and completely safe. This is the Hersven Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, and it is designed to remove dust, allergens, and dead skin cells that build up in your bedding over time. Its strong suction pulls deep into mattress fibers, pillows, and even sofas, places a regular vacuum often misses. Using it regularly can help reduce allergens in your bedroom, which is especially helpful for people with allergies or asthma. It is lightweight and easy to move across your mattress without much effort. The compact design also makes it simple to store when not in use. If you want a cleaner, healthier place to sleep every single night without too much extra effort, this mattress vacuum is a smart tool to add to your cleaning routine. This is the silicone all-surface broom, and it is a modern twist on a tool everyone already has at home. Made from flexible silicone bristles, it sweeps up both dry debris and wet spills without leaving streaks or scattering dust into the air. It works well on tile, wood, and even outdoor surfaces like patios and garages. Since silicone does not absorb water or odors, cleaning the broom itself is quick and simple. Just rinse it off and let it dry. It is also naturally resistant to mold and bacteria buildup over time. If you want just one single broom that handles almost every mess around your home with ease, this silicone broom is a practical and worthwhile upgrade. This is the automatic trash can, and it makes throwing away trash cleaner and far more convenient. Simply wave your hand near the sensor, and the lid opens on its own, so you never have to touch a dirty lid with your hands. This is especially helpful in the kitchen, where your hands are often full or messy while cooking. The design helps reduce the spread of germs, which is great for keeping your home more hygienic. It fits neatly under counters or in corners without taking up too much space. If you want a cleaner, more touch-free way to manage your entire household trash every single day, this automatic can make the whole job easier every single day. This is the High Life Clothes Steamer, and it makes removing wrinkles from your clothes fast and easy without an ironing board. It heats up quickly, releasing steam that relaxes fabric fibers and smooths out creases in just a few passes. It works well on different fabric types, from delicate silk to thicker cotton, without the risk of scorching that irons sometimes cause. The compact design makes it easy to store and travel with, so you can keep your clothes looking sharp anywhere. It is also handy for freshening up curtains, upholstery, and bedding around the house. If you want truly wrinkle-free clothes without the usual hassle of ironing every single time, this steamer is a simple, time-saving solution. This is the Niakasa Pet Grooming Kit, and it makes keeping your furry friend clean and tidy much easier at home. It combines grooming and vacuuming in one tool, capturing loose fur directly as you brush, so it does not end up all over your furniture and floors. This is especially helpful for pets that shed a lot throughout the year. The gentle bristles are comfortable for your pet, making grooming sessions feel more like a treat than a chore. It also helps reduce shedding around the house over time with regular use. If you want a much cleaner home and a happier, well-groomed pet every single day, this grooming kit is a smart investment for any loving pet owner. This is the Cotton Paradise Towel Set, and it brings soft, absorbent comfort to your daily bathroom routine. Made from high-quality cotton, these towels soak up water quickly while staying gentle on your skin after every shower. The set includes multiple pieces, so you always have a fresh towel ready without doing laundry constantly. They hold their softness and absorbency wash after wash, unlike cheaper towels that become rough and thin over time. The classic design fits well with almost any bathroom style or color scheme. If you want a simple daily upgrade that makes your daily bathroom routine feel a little more comfortable and relaxing, this soft towel set is truly a great and practical choice for any home. This is the Politiki Car Cleaning Gel, and it is a simple tool that reaches dust and dirt in places a cloth cannot touch. Its soft, sticky texture pulls debris out from air vents, cup holders, keyboard gaps, and other small crevices around your car or desk. Just press it into tight spaces and pull it away to see the dirt lifted right out. It is reusable, so you can rinse it off and use it again multiple times before needing a replacement. It works well on both car interiors and household electronics like keyboards and remotes. If you want a quick, mess-free way to clean tight spaces around your car or desk, this cleaning gel is a handy tool. This is the Mop and Bucket Set, and it is a complete system that makes floor cleaning faster and much less messy. The bucket includes a built-in wringer, so you can control how much water stays in the mop with just a simple squeeze. This helps prevent streaky floors and reduces drying time after mopping. The mop head is designed to pick up dirt and grime effectively across tile, wood, and laminate surfaces. It is easy to swap out the mop head when it wears down, keeping the whole system fresh and effective. If you want a truly reliable, no-fuss way to keep floors clean every day without much hassle, this mop and bucket set is a solid choice. This is the disposable toilet brush, and it offers a more hygienic way to keep your bathroom clean without the hassle. Each brush head is used once and then thrown away, so you never have to worry about a dirty brush sitting around collecting bacteria. The refill heads come pre-loaded with cleaning solution, making scrubbing quick and effective without extra products. This is especially convenient for guest bathrooms or rentals where storage space is limited. It helps keep your bathroom looking and smelling fresher between deep cleanse. If the very idea of a reusable toilet brush ever really bothers you at all, This disposable option offers a much cleaner, safer, and more convenient alternative for your entire home overall. This is the compact air purifier, and it helps keep the air in your home feeling fresher and cleaner every day. It filters out dust, pollen, and other small particles that can trigger allergies or make a room feel stuffy. The compact size makes it easy to place in bedrooms, offices, or smaller living spaces without taking up much room. It runs quietly, so it will not disturb your sleep or work while it filters the air in the background. Coming as a 2-pack, you can cover multiple rooms in your home at once. If you want fresher air in your home without a bulky, expensive machine taking up space, this air purifier is a simple and effective solution. This is the microfiber spin mop, and it makes mopping floors faster while keeping your hands completely dry throughout the process. The bucket includes a built-in spinner, so you simply place the mop head inside and spin to wring out excess water with ease. The microfiber material traps dirt and dust effectively, leaving floors looking clean without streaks. It works well on tile, hardwood, and laminate surfaces around your home. The mop head is washable and reusable, making it a more affordable option over time compared to disposable pads. If you want an easy, mess-free way to keep your floors spotless every single day, this spin mop and bucket set is truly a great choice for any home. This is the High's cordless spin scrubber, and it makes deep cleaning bathrooms and kitchens far less exhausting. It spins rapidly, so tough grime on tiles, grout, and sinks comes off with minimal scrubbing effort on your part. Being cordless gives you full freedom to move around without worrying about outlets or tangled cords getting in your way. It comes with multiple brush heads, letting you switch between surfaces depending on what needs cleaning. The long handle helps you reach into corners and tight spaces without straining your back. If scrubbing by hand has always felt like a very tiring workout for you, this spin scrubber takes all the hard effort out of getting things completely clean around your whole home. This is the Roomba robot vacuum, and it handles both vacuuming and mopping automatically, so you can spend less time cleaning. It moves around your home on its own, using smart navigation to avoid furniture and clean efficiently in neat, organized paths. It switches between vacuuming carpets and mopping hard floors, giving your whole home a thorough clean in one single run. You can schedule cleaning sessions through an app, so your floors stay tidy even when you are not home. It also returns to its dock automatically to recharge when the battery runs low. If you want a truly hands-off way to keep your entire home always clean, this robot combo is worth every single penny you spend. This is the crevice cleaning brushes, and this set of 11 brushes is designed to tackle tight, hard-to-reach spaces around your home. Different brush shapes and sizes let you clean window tracks, vents, keyboards, and other narrow gaps that regular tools cannot reach properly. The bristles are firm enough to loosen stuck dirt, but gentle enough to avoid scratching delicate surfaces. They work well for cars, appliances, and small household items that collect dust over time. Being a full set means you always have the right brush shape for the job at hand. If tiny crevices around your home always seem completely impossible to clean properly by hand, this full brush set finally makes the whole job simple. This is the drill brush attachments, and they turn an ordinary power drill into a powerful cleaning tool for tough jobs. This set includes multiple brush heads designed for scrubbing tile, grout, tubs, and other surfaces that usually require a lot of manual effort. Attaching them to a drill lets the spinning motion do the hard work for you, cutting scrubbing time down significantly. The different bristle types and sizes make them useful for both delicate and heavy-duty cleaning tasks around the house. They are simple to attach and remove, fitting most standard drills without any extra tools. If scrubbing by hand feels like a real chore, these drill attachments make cleaning fast and truly effortless every single time.